Hey everybody, so we got a quick unboxing and specifications and information video on a Milwaukee M18 light. It is the high definition trouble light with USB charging. So I appreciate you guys watching. Please stick around and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so this is going to be the unboxing, quick information, quick look, specifications video for this M18 trouble light with USB charging. It's up to 100 hours runtime on low. It's got a couple features that I think are really cool we're going to go over. The specifications Milwaukee's giving is with an XC 5.0 standard battery. High, 10 hours at 700 lumens with an XC 5.0. Medium is 20 hours at 350 lumens with an XC 5.0. Low is 100 hours at 70 lumens with an XC 5.0. And then strobe is 16 hours with 700 lumens with an XC 5.0. So I'm assuming if you use anything bigger than that, it's going to last a lot longer. One of the cool features I like is it's got the 2.1 amp quickly charges electronic devices on it. So you can utilize the battery and the light for two different things at the same time. You don't have to pull another battery out just to use the USB adapter. This is model 2363-20. And it says twist and try, so it has an area function and a task function, like the M12 one I showed in a previous video. This one shows IPX4 water resistant, so it's not IPX56 like some of the other ones. It's 5-year warranty on this guy. LED is a limited lifetime warranty. And this is an M18 model. So let's get it open. Come on now. Get that little riveted piece off. These are those plastic, just welded rivets that you gotta pop. Okay, it's got the same packet as the rest of all of Milwaukee's lights, the information, safety instructions, all that. Throw the plastic container in the recycling can. Now, this is what it looks like. So here is the USB port on the back. And you want you to, I guess, remove this sticker before you use it. I'm not really sure why it matters. But this one is similar to the M12 model. This one is a lot smoother. It's not as stiff. But I like this because you can 360. It's got one light bar and one LED light bar on one side and two on the other. And what I like is you could be very precise with these. So you could turn the knob really slow if you need the light to be pointing in a exact position. It doesn't have to be 360. It could be 350 or 355 or 345. The amount of adjustability is so infinite on this, as long as it's in that 360 degree range. You can see that I might not be able to see it, I don't know, but I am moving it very slow. And that's something I like about these. Move it a little faster for you guys. And it clicks. And it does have an indicator right here for the one side, for the task side, which would be all of them facing one direction, and then the circle for the area light. But you can move it really slow and make it as precise as you need. So if you really don't need the light facing right here, but you need all one to face that way, one to face that way, and one to face in the front, you can actually turn it so these are angled. Instead of flat, you can turn it so that they're angled, which is neat. And you know, more than likely I'm probably going to be using a big battery on these. If you guys want like weight tests, I can always do a separate video with what these weigh with a battery and everything. This is the battery that they indicate on the information. It's a 5.0 XC. And I'll turn it this way. High, medium, low, and off. And the way the strobe works is you can have the light on and activate the strobe by holding the power button for the light, and it strobes. If you push that power button again, just tap it, it turns it back to whatever light setting you had it on, which was high. And then you can also activate it while the light's off by just holding the power button down like that. A seizure alert for anybody that may have seizures. So you just push the button again, it turns it off. If you want to charge something off of it, you just plug a USB cable into it, push the button, and it activates that. And then, just to show you guys, this is actually really bright. It's definitely a lot brighter than the 400 lumen model, which is the M12 model. It's actually very bright. The camera does not like it on the power setting medium, and that's, you know, the rippling in the camera because of the pulsing in the LEDs are actually pulsing by the modulator in this unit when it's on medium, and low does the same thing. But more than likely, when I'm going to be using it, it's going to be on high, or going to be under a vehicle in a dark place or whatever. But what's neat is if I bring it forward, you know, you can turn the light in a direction that you need. And you can see I'm showing it as I'm going really slow. So you can see that the bars are moving pretty slow. It's going to blind the camera for a second as soon as it's straight. And it clicks. But what I like is that you can move fast or slow. You know, so if one of those things is hanging from the vehicle and you're like, okay, well, I need the light a little bit further to the left or to the right, you could just turn this knob and tweak it just a little bit until the light's in the area you need. And that's something I like, and that's what it looks like with all the lights forward. And then we'll do it from this angle where we turn it. So now it's an area light. And then if I turn it this way, now it's in one direction. You can see that behind it is dark again. So it does a really good job, and that's something that I like. I like how they made these. They were pretty smart idea. And I also like that it's got the hooks. It's got two hooks just like the M12 model. And the hooks actually have a indent for, like, you know, if it's hanging from a cable, it just kind of helps locate whatever it's hanging from directly in the center of the hooks. And what I did is I hung the other one over here. So all my lights are over here. I have I'm gonna put this somewhere else, but I have the inflator, the M12 rover, M18 rover, the smaller M12 version of this light, and the pivoting light, 2 of the flashlights. These are all the red lithium lights. And then a couple different headlamps. I got this one. I like this one a lot more than the low profiles, and I think it's because these low profiles, the battery's on the back of your neck or the back of your skull, and you know, the headlamp's there. This one's more comfortable. This one is a lot harder to adjust on the strap. This one, I think the strap is particularly made for helmets, where this one I think feels like it's made more for your head. There's 3 lights there, so I have a lot of lights. I'm probably gonna hang this one over here as well, but you know, just a quick informative video. I do like that the hooks can move out the way. They don't like come out or anything like that, you know. And this is a fully charged battery. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. If you guys want me to do like measurements and like weights and all that, let me know. I can weigh it with, you know, 5 or 6 different batteries if you guys are interested in that. Just a light. I think you guys are more interested in what it looks like in the output than necessarily what size battery and what the battery length and what the tool is. But if you guys are interested, I'll do videos on you know, measuring the height without the batteries, with batteries, weighing it with batteries and without batteries. It doesn't seem very heavy. I mean, to me it doesn't even feel like a pound. It could be a pound. But I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and sticking around for the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the and smash the bell notification icon for future updates if you guys aren't subscribed, or you may be interested in looking at other videos I'm doing. I appreciate you guys being here. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronic affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for sticking around. Peace!